Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today I show you the binary bonus and I try to explain it. So, binary bonus, you receive this bonus for each new cycle. This is completed on the lower side of your mining network turnover. Well, and you get 5% for every cycle and you can receive up to 50 cycles per day. So, what is one cycle? If a person is on the left side and on the right side. So, left and right is one cycle. Very simple, or? So I give you an example for cycles. So, for each cycle, everyone who is above the cycle gets the money, get 5%. So, this cycle, this one is a cycle, and this one is a cycle, and this one is a cycle, and so on. It should be very simple, but now I explain you how many money you get. If left and right are standard, you get 5% of standard, so $25. And now, what is when both are master? Left and right are master, and you get 5% of master. In this example, $1,000. But if on the left side and on the right side are different packages, so in this example, left standard and right master, you only get 5% of standard and not of the master, because master is the highest one of both and standard is the lower one, so you get only 5% of standard. That's it. Very short video today, and thank you for watching. You can sign up on this internet address and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye.